Bonjour tout le monde. Here's a quick video about this week's assignments. So as usual, we always start with a song. I love games, making sure to put the volume high and dance. Learning objective. This week, you're going to learn how to count, how to spell those numbers, especially from 1 to 20. How you describe yourself. So you're going to be using adjectives and make sure to understand the concept of gender for nouns. And also you're going to know more vocabulary about the classroom. So on Linko, you're going to go over the section A6 and A7. Again, this is a lesson. There are a lot of exercises. Feel free to do them, but they're not assigned to you, okay? It's for you. I already posted your chapter 1 projet écrit et oral. Make sure to go over the PowerPoint. Everything is there. And if you have any question, make sure to let me know. This is going to be due on March 19th. So you can start working on your PowerPoint already, forming those sentences. And next week, you're going to do the recording and talking about reading your PowerPoint. You're going to do a cultural presentation, oral cultural presentation at the end of the semester. So instead of giving you everything at the end of the semester, we're going to do it step by step. So this week, what I want you to do to go over those subjects, just see them, just see what interests you. If there's something that you see, put that in your mind. If you don't see something that's interesting for you, but you want to do about a specific subject, just let me know. Email me, tell me, hey, can I do about so and so? Okay, so you have, as you can see, it's a very long list. So I'm hoping you're going to have something that's interesting for you. But if not, make sure to go over it and to let me know. And here you have also the rubric I'm going to be using for your presentation at the end of the semester. And it's one more thing. It's going to be in English. However, I want you to use just 10 sentences in French, okay? No, not the whole PowerPoint will be in French. You're in French 1, obviously. So it's going to be only all in English, but you're going to use 10 sentences. So that's why you will see here, there are at least 10 sentences in French. Yeah. After the presentation, you have your homework. So the homework is going to be B6, 7, and 8. That's the written homework, C3 and C4, the oral homework, and the vocabulary 3 en classe. And let me show you. So here you have all the section A6, 7, and some more about the adjective if you need more practice. Here you have the vocabulary. I already showed you how to do the vocabulary. So this is the one that's assigned to you. These two are for you, for your own, as your own dictionary. Okay, feel free to play with it, to practice. Here you have the B6, B7, and B8 about the giving commands, definite article and general nouns, and the numbers, and the section C3 and C4 en classe and les chiffres. This is the oral section. Again, sometimes Linko, your computer, your internet, whatever it is, it's not recognizing your answer. Just try to repeat it 5 times. The 5th one is saved. It's the one I'm going to be hearing it, and I'll give you points, give you back your points if it's correct. Finally, you're going to have a pronunciation quiz. It's going to be your very first one. You're going to have one about bonjour and the verb être, and the second one about les adjectifs. For each one of them, you have 20 words, let's say, okay? And it's a very simple one. You're going to say the word bonjour. I want you to say bonjour. Make sure to speak clearly. Make sure to speak loud. Make sure to know how to pronounce it. Make sure to say je suis. Do not say je suis. Make sure to say il est, not il est. Okay, so make sure to practice those words. It's not time. It's only one attempt. In other words, when you submit, that's it. However, when you're going to be saying those words, you can repeat it as many times as you want. But again, don't do it more than 5 times. It can get frustrating, and it is. I totally understand. I will check those, but I'm going to be very strict when I'm going to be grading. So if I'm hearing il est, no, this is wrong. It has to be il est. Don't say nous sommes, but nous sommes. Okay, same thing for those adjectives. So make sure to practice very good. And that would be it. That's it. Merci. Allez, bonne chance. Au revoir.